It's really fulfilling to be able to grow a crop, to see that packaged for people to consume and know that you're a part of that family. I'm Dave Mosser. I'm the CEO of the Mosser family companies. We're an 8th generation potato farming, packing, distribution, and processing company. Our family came to this part of Pennsylvania in the mid-1700s, and we've been farming here in this area for 8 generations. We grow potatoes here, multiple varieties, commercially over 10 varieties. We trial and test over 200 varieties every year. So we grow everything from creamer potatoes to regular A-size potatoes that we sell in 5-pound bags. So we really have the whole spectrum.
I'm Tammy Miller-Sheeler, and we're at the Mosser Potato Farm. My mother and father started our family business, and I work with my sister, my brother-in-law, and my husband every day. We've owned our stores for 28 years. Any day you go into our Westchester ShopRite, my mom and dad are there every day. Customers love seeing them, talking about football games, family, the traditions we have for holidays coming up. I love carrying on my family's traditions in the store, working with my parents every day. The customer sees our legacy and they appreciate our family being in the store.
We love our ShopRite partnership. It's been really fulfilling for us. They've been a great partner. They've supported our family, our company now for many years. We're really looking forward to get more involved with the company, to hear more stories of the retailers that sell our products. Because without them, I mean, we'd have no method of getting our products, to the consumer. So glad to meet people that are operating a business, to share those stories, to share the history of how, things came to be and how the store is being operated. And it's just really important to make those connections for us because, again, they're the ones that are selling our products. So the best we can do to connect from the ground all the way to the fork is really important. And I think it's a great story to tell. I think it's good for ShopRite shoppers to understand and know that there's a connection between the stores that they shop in and the growers that are producing the produce.
It's exciting to know that a product that we have on our shelf in Pennsylvania came from a farm not that far away in Pennsylvania. And taking the drive out here today to see where that product comes from, that's a really good experience.